Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing a reliable reference recording. Set the mic to 44, 1 or 48 kHz and 16 or 24-bit, then speak at production distance. Once done, record a 30 to 60-second test clip that includes normal speech and a few louder phrases so you can check clipping. Make sure monitoring is active and headphones are used. This helps you hear problems immediately. This first actionable step gives you measurable files to analyze and avoids guessing later. You now analyze the test file with both your ears and visual tools. Open the waveform to verify peaks sit around -12 to -6 dBFS and confirm there is no clipping at 0 dBFS. Once visual checks are done, run a spectral view to find hums, high-frequency hiss, or excessive sibilance, and apply a high-pass filter and denoiser conservatively. Make sure to check phase and polarity if multiple mics were used, so the audio remains full and not thin. You finish by preparing the final audio. Set your target LUFS level per spec, apply light compression for consistency, and export in the required format. Once exported, listen on headphones, laptop speakers, and a phone to ensure translation across devices. Make sure transitions and levels feel natural. If you still hear issues, troubleshoot systematically, swap cables, check connectors, isolate the mic, or re-record a focus test. This one key tip, change one variable at a time, lets you find.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.